Hi guys. Okay, I'm excited because I'm not really like I'm excited. I'm not excited. I bought a few things for the house, so I thought, okay, let me show you guys. Anyways, I'm going to just show you guys straight up. So I got this basket. For my bathroom. Yes, I got this basket for my bathroom. I'm going to put in my tissue paper and all of those toiletries in it. And yeah, so when I'm doing my room / house tour, you guys are going to see how I do it. So I bought this for, I don't know, see, if you guys are my guys in Mauritius, tell me, did I waste money? Because I bought this 199 rupees. It's a bit big, but I felt like they cheated me. I didn't really care because I got what I was looking for. I got these two very big gigantic pillows. The two of them are 200 rupees, which is really cool. I think this is cheap. So yeah, 200 rupees is for my bed. I already have 2 pillows, so now I have 4 pillows. I bought this for, it's funny how I can remember how much I bought it for, because normally I'm not that kind of person. If I go to a store and I want to buy something and I see it's cheap, I just buy it. I don't really like put prices in my head, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I bought this for 49 rupees. I'm going to put this on my sink. I think these days they call it vanity. So I'm going to put it on my sink and put some things in it. I have guests, I don't have cups to give my guests. I only have like my tea cup. So that doesn't make sense. I got this. This is like a set of 6. I felt it was cheap. I got this set of 6 for 125 rupees. Yeah, I'm just going to be telling you guys the price. If you want to convert it. I'm done converting to. I got this pencil holder to put my remote and 1 or 2 things. To be very honest, you guys, I do want to show you guys. I had a Pringle. God, I had a Pringle. What's this thing called? A Pringle cup. Like Pringles, I bought Pringles and it's empty. So I had to put things inside, but it's not looking nice on that table. So I bought this. I think I bought this for 40 something rupees. This one I can't really remember. I wrote it. Okay, so this is how it was looking like before. I'm just going to switch this. Really, let us start with this one. Hi guys, so I literally just got home, but before I open or before I do any other thing, I really just wanted to show you what I got. I got this today, so yes, you guys are the first seeing it. Okay, so I got this today. I hope this doesn't fall while I'm holding it, but I got this today. Yeah, to put water in it or juice or any other thing, mainly water. So I got 2. I got 2, and this is how it comes. This one was opened, so yeah, 2. Just going to be putting water, and you guys will see why I bought this. I actually feel like it doesn't make sense buying plastic bottles and then throwing them away. Absolutely makes no sense. Is this? So I got the bottles for 100 rupees, which is about 1,000 naira, and which is about maybe $3 or less than $4. And then I got this. This is a water filter or water purifier, if you may. So I'm gonna open it now. I'm not looking bad at all. So guys, this is what the water filter looks like. Currently been using it forever. So there's water here, and then filters the water to here, and then I drink. So how much did I buy this? I think I bought it for about 8,200 rupees. I'm sure it's not even up to 1,000 rupees. I can't really remember now. But yeah, this is it. I highly recommend, if you like water and you don't like boiling water on a daily basis to drink, or you can't really afford buying bottled water, this is the best for you to buy. Simple, low maintenance. You can literally dismantle, wash every other week, and you have clean water. But for the longest, I was actually drinking tap water because I was the laziest person to either boil water, and it's not so economical buying bottled water every week. So voila. Hi guys, it's voiceover Dosia here. So I decided to make a whole lot of changes, and the first thing I did was to add curtains to my room. It was so bright I couldn't sleep. I was legit having like migraines and headache when I wake up in the morning. So that was the first thing I did. And then the second thing, which was like a major thing for me, was adding a table. So I got this table off of Facebook. I got it for like 1,000 rupees, and it's an Ikea table. So I'm just setting it up to put as my work table. And once I am done, like, I was thinking of where I was going to put it, if it was going to work here, but I ended up switching the position and putting it at the other corner in my room. So I got this what's it called, I got this wallpaper because I don't want the table to stain, and I also wanted to make it look a bit different from what it was. So I had to add this wallpaper to it. It wasn't the exact size, so I basically had to cut and then fill it, but you guys would see it when it is done. I wanted to go for the black marble, but I feel like this, at the end of the day, it kind of works. I kind of like it now, and I mean, I can remove it anytime I feel like, and then switch it up, as to me using it for a very long time and the table looking like trash at the end of the day. So this is me just trying to fit in the wallpaper, and I haven't even changed the wallpaper since then, but this is what it looks like now. In this video, it doesn't look like this now. I have added a whole lot of other things to this table, and I have added a whole lot of other things to my room that I didn't show you guys. So if you guys want me to do a house tour or a room tour showing you my new additions and my latest additions, you guys should let me know. Put it in the comment section, as always. Put it in the comment section. Make sure you comment, and make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell, so when I have new videos, you guys would see it. And this is just me unpacking everything that I bought for the month. Nothing serious. This is the end of the video, guys. As always, my name is Theodosia, and I'll see you guys in my next video.